It's JD's inspirational moment.
On the phone with a friend the other day who wasn't happy because a job she'd wanted didn't come through. On top of that, a former colleague had requested she come back to her old job just to lead a workshop she was really good at leading. My friend told me, she asked, "What's going on, God? I thought the other job was for me." And she said she asked God, "How am I going to lead a workshop to encourage other people when I need to be encouraged?" And I told her, "Girl, I feel you. I don't always want to do an inspirational moment either. I'm thinking I need to be inspired, but I'm convicted to do it anyway." Then I told her someone will message me to say how they needed that inspiration. And that lets me know I'm not doing this for me. I'm helping others, which ultimately glorifies God. In talking to my friend, I was ministering to myself, and I was reminded. Trust God, Janine, to guide you, even in the disappointment. And 2, be obedient brings me closer to God. And God's got a blessing for me. Now, go be great.